All right, Michelle, thank you very much. This weather is no joke. Some areas could see up to 2 inches of rain over the next 24 hours.
And that is creating some challenges for people out there on the roads and near our local waterways.
That's right. And our Jess Arnold is in Southeast D.C. this morning at the district's Homeland Security and Emergency Management Agency office. Jess, D.C., like many other parts of our area, have been preparing for this. What do we need to know?
Hey, yeah, well, the Homeland Security Director actually made it out to the fish market here to talk to us. I'm going to bring him in now. This is Chris Rodriguez. Now, the National Weather Service actually extended that coastal flood warning until 8 a.m. on Sunday, so that's important to note. Now, in terms of what we're seeing out here right now, it's kind of that spit rain, I like to call it, where it's light, but it's coming from all directions. But you've been preparing. What have you all been doing to make sure that D.C. is ready to go?
Well, certainly since we saw the nor'easter up north that's hitting the northeast right now, we've been preparing for some coastal flooding. Usually we get that type of impact when we have a lot of rain to our north. And so what we've been doing from the Homeland Security Emergency Management Agency is reaching out to our business community, reaching out to our residents, particularly in flood-prone areas of the city, because we will expect to see some inundation, to make sure they're ready and prepared.
Yeah, and this is one of those areas that I know you're looking out for. Have you been working with the businesses here at the market?
Absolutely. We've been talking to our business improvement district here at the wharf, in Georgetown, in Navy Yard, again, to make sure that they're doing things such as working with the city to clear any drains with leaves, but also if there are any businesses that have loose objects or items, making sure you bring them inside, because we will see some wind today and tomorrow as well.
Yeah, as we can tell with my hair going in front of my face right now. But when we're talking about what individuals can do as they prepare, as they wake up to more of this rain coming down, what do you suggest?
Again, making sure that any loose items outside your home or your residence are brought inside. We want to make sure that people are, again, cognizant of the wind in particular. Again, making sure that they are doing everything they can to keep themselves safe. And also reporting anything to 311. Call 311 if you have or see any impacts in your area. The other thing is you got to sign up for Alert DC. That's our way that we are going to make sure that we're communicating with the residents throughout this event. You can do that at alert.dc.gov.
Thank you so much for joining us out here today. Again, Alert DC, if you want to make sure that you're up to date, we'll be monitoring it out here for you. Send it back to you.
All right, Jess, thank you very much.